Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Another quick episode on a modification to my BMW K1600. So I love this motorcycle, but it's missing a couple of things which I think are very important. If you're going to ride a motorcycle this big, well, if you're going to ride any motorcycle, you need to be able to ride it at very slow speeds in order to be able to ride it well at high speeds. Slow speed riding is key to safe, effective, high-speed riding and doing it well. So I love to practice riding very slow-speed maneuvers, slow-speed turns, slow-speed U-turns. And what that means is that you're using your hips and your knees and your inner thighs to help control the motorcycle, balance the motorcycle, and turn the motorcycle. And what that means is that there's a lot of rubbing and pressure being put on the sides of the tank, which in turn will inevitably mean scratches and wear and tear on the paint. So in order to protect the paintwork and in order to give you more grip, which will give you better control, you need to install some form of traction pads on the side of the tank and on the top of the tank to protect it. So I ordered a set of snakeskin grippers, tank grippers, which I will be installing now. I've got a nice big box in front of me here. These are them here, they just arrived, so I'm going to be unboxing these and installing on the tank. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. It's going to be a very short and sweet video on how to peel off sticky plastic and stick it on your tank. It's really that simple. Enjoy, thanks for watching. So welcome back to the channel. Next up, we're installing the snakeskin from TECHSPEC tank grippers. You want to make sure that your tank is completely clean and dry. No waxes, no polishes, no dust, no hair. Get it clean, give it a really good wipe down before you stick these things on. So this is a complete kit, and we've got K1600 GT and GTL tank grippers, double set there. It says it's from 2011 to 2016, so this is a 2015 bike, first registered in 2016. So this should fit just fine. And then these are the rear to go on the pannier boxes for passengers when you're getting on and off so they don't get damaged. So I've got rear pannier protectors and tank protectors. And a key fob. Wash your hands. Make sure everything's clean and dry. Clean the surface with Windex. Or a rubbing alcohol. I don't want to put rubbing alcohol on my paint. Windex will work. Make sure the tank is minimum 80 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's been sitting in the sun here for a few hours, so it's warm. If necessary, heat the tank with a hairdryer. We can do that. Apply the tank grip by removing a small section of the back liner, line it up, stick it down, smoosh it out. Carefully remove the remaining liner, roll it into place. Work from the inside out to prevent air bubbles. It's like putting a screen protector on your phone. And then allow 12 hours for the adhesive to set up. So we're going to clean the area where we're going to be applying. If they give you alcohol, I say use alcohol. I wouldn't normally put alcohol on this, but I think for cleaning it's just fine. It says it's 90% isopropyl alcohol, so This will remove any waxes and evaporate really fast. Alright, so starting on this lower side, this is pretty much the alignment following the curve here. I want to go back as far as I can to protect the paint. So what I'm going to use is a little bit of masking tape. If you cut yourself some strips of masking tape, you can use them as an alignment guide. So you don't mess up. So figure out where you want it to sit. That's good for me. I'm going to leave just a little bit here. So my front edge doesn't want to come any further forward than that, and my top edge So what this gives me is a template pressure point. So as long as I put it down in this position, I'm going to be happy with it. So we're going to start with the bottom flat edge, is probably the easiest. Get that lined up. So pull this back a little bit. Even pressure. This does curve up, so you want to start at the bottom here and press in. Out of the way. Tape out of the way. And there you go. First one in and on. Following the lines of the molding of the tank, yeah, it's really nice. So what this is going to do is give me fantastic traction on my knees when I'm in the twisties. I can grip with the tank, I can lean forward with my leathers and my protective gear on and not damage the tank here. Low speed maneuvering, I'll be able to grip with my knees and help lean the bike and push it down without damaging this lovely paint. So they are removable in the future. If I sell the bike and someone wants it without any of this gear on it, heat these up with a hairdryer, peel it off. Simple as that. So these are the snakeskin grippers made by TECHSPEC. I'll leave a link to where I got them actually from the manufacturer's website. So there we go. 12 hours and they should be rock solid, but that's going to give me plenty of grip, which is what I wanted. So next up is the pannier protectors. And deal with the pannier protectors. You want to use your alcohol rub on the top, protect the top of the box, give it a good clean. These are the TECHSPEC protectors that come onto here. Same deal. Really just designed to protect getting on and off the bike, opening and closing your luggage. These top bits often get knocked and bumped, so aside from the fact it gives you a nice finishing touch to the bike, matches the front, matches the black, there you go. So starting on the back, easy as that. You can bring them all the way to this edge if you wanted to. For me, a passenger's legs are going to be this way, so this is where the most amount of protection for me needs. I don't need as much down the side here. Alrighty, and there's the top one done. Right side TECHSPEC pannier cover protector. Snakeskin grippers on the tank, and on the opposite side here. So gives me another level of protection for the paint and panniers. So I say you make your bikes your way and do it the way you want to do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Ride safely, come home alive.